Andi Huels, RadiusAI, Head of Growth and Strategy. Yes, I am. I'm speaking on how to nurture and build an ecosystem that supports enterprise AI. It's a fascinating technology, so different than other AI ISVs, in that we have over 38 use cases, predominantly for retail, restaurants, and convenience stores. But we're able to enable human-based analytics. So everything about the shoppers in the stores, and also about the store analytics, such as heat mapping or the customer journey. We're also able to detect safety and security issues, all through computer vision by leveraging the video out of the existing security cameras in their ceilings. We run that through our AI software and derive immediate alerts and insights into behavior that's occurring into those environments. That's an excellent question, because really 70% of the CXOs I speak with don't quite understand AI, the key concepts such as computer vision, edge, or GPUs. And these are things that I have to use kind of grace and humility to help them understand. And then what's even better is we bring the ecosystem together. At RadiusAI, we provide a full stack solution. We don't just say, here's our software, find the rest of the parts for yourself. So in the hardware, in the edge AI server, you're going to need a GPU, you're going to need a CPU, and you're also going to need the software, RadiusAI platform. But then you're also going to need a system integrator that's going to help with the camera, talking to the POS, talking to that server, and making that last mile come together. So deployment partners, this whole ecosystem is so important that we're friends, that we work together, that we talk, and that we help those customers, we guide them, and make sure that it's a successful deployment. In terms of customer analytics, we can tell you what are customers looking at, what are they gazing at, what do they ultimately purchase. We can show you a heat map of your entire store, which areas are the most popular, which areas are people not getting to. We can show the entire customer journey. We can also tell you queue analytics. How long are people having to wait in line? How long are the lines? And what's causing some of those delays, whether it's the self-checkout or the cashier-assisted checkout. And in terms of your store analytics, what are people looking at? What do they pick up? And then what do they ultimately purchase? All of these things are very important to your ROI, because if you don't know how many people are in your store or your restaurant, you don't know where the busy times are, then you can't really do your dynamic labor planning. Yes, absolutely. So computer vision can see what the human can see, plus more. So we can see when there's an out of stock for a product, and we can see when your planogram is out of compliance. And we can do those alerts so that you can make sure that you're ordering in advance, and also that you're restocking at the optimal times. Well, speaking from the retail, restaurant, convenience space, my 3 predictions and advice to those starting that journey would be, first of all, to start it. Take a small project and don't let AI overwhelm you, and definitely don't put it on your product roadmap. Make sure that you are engaging. It is the future. You can't avoid this, and we can help you make it super simple, easy, fun to deploy those first few use cases. But number 2, you're going to get what I call AI appetite, and the scope is going to creep, because you're going to realize, wow, you have so much power. When you have these data-driven insights, you can make smarter decisions. And that is intoxicating. So my customers tend to want to really increase the scope of their projects after we start. And last of all, remember that you want to work with an AI ISV that has multiple use cases. Because if you are going to piecemeal this and work with 5 or 6 in different drive-through, in the back of the house, in the front of the house, they're each going to come with a different piece of hardware that might not talk to each other. So make sure that you bring those folks together, and they work together as a technology ecosystem.